Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox or unwrap this. These are the 5 of the Apple iPhone 5s, or it's equivalent to iPhone 5C battery. This one is the high capacity. So let's go ahead and unbox or unwrap this and show you guys what it look like. I'm not sure why they are including this. Please remove the cover of the pin before use. Make sure you are buying the right charger before tearing off the plastic film. Yeah, I'm not sure what they're talking about because I didn't buy the charger. It's supposed to be 5, so I'm not sure why they sent me only 4. So lucky I have to record this video so I could prove it. And this is what the battery look like. So this one's a 2680 mAh battery. And then this is a connector, what it look like. And it is made in China. Well, first of all, you need to install this and then do the actual drain test, or actually use it with the screen brightness all the way up. See how long this battery will last compared to your original one when it was brand new. Alright? Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always. Peace.